Dress Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Dandy from Dandy's World. So let's get started. To draw a cute Dandy, let's first start by drawing a big circle for his head. So I'll just start right here because it's just easier for me to start on this side to draw a circle. And I'm just going to go ahead and wing it to draw this circle. But if you're not comfortable doing that, just find something at home you can trace. But I like it kind of freehand, makes it look a little bit cuter, I think. So that's not so perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead, draw this big circle for the head. So the center of a flower, basically. Okay, so I just want to smooth it out. And there. So now we have this circle. We're going to come inside and draw the eyes, which are some more circles. So say about right here, I'm just going to start really close to the edge, and I'll just go ahead and draw two big circles. So I just want to make sure I don't pass the center. They are close together, but I don't want to go over to the center. So let's say about right there, and draw the circle right about here, nice and big. So same thing on the other side. So this is your center and right there. So I just drag it across so I make sure I'm going about the same height as the other side, close to the edge and the bottom. There. Okay, so something like that. So now that these two circles in, now we can go inside and draw another circle. So really big as well. So we're just leaving a little bit of an edge. And we're just going to draw this inside, right in the center. And it's actually all filled in, but I'm going to try to put in a little highlight right here and see how it looks. If it doesn't look good, I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in, but maybe it'd be nice to add some sparkle to Dandy's eyes. So play around with, see if you want to put that sparkle or not. So same thing here. Just going to draw a big circle inside our circle. Just go around and follow your outside. And once again, I'll add a little highlight right here and shade this all in. There, nice and big, right? And then we need to draw the mouth. So right in between the eyes, right underneath, I'll say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve, come dip it down towards the center, and then go right back up. So it's just like drawing this bean. And we're just going to thicken it up. And connect. And then in the center, just draw a line and two more. So just kind of curve it a little bit. There. Okay, and I'm just going to add a little curve right here. I just feel like it needs it. There. Then from there we need to draw all the petals. So there's going to be, let's see, 2, 4, 6 petals. So I found the easiest way. Go to your center. So this is your center. So let's say about right here and here. I'm just going to draw the top petal, which is right in the center. And I'm just going to go up. Nice and high, and just draw one petal. Come right back down, and then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So about here and here. So once again, just try to aim to draw the same on the bottom. There. So we got, oh, actually my top one's taller, but that's okay. Okay, and then we're just going to put like a center line and then another center line. Then from there, let's say the center of this curve. So I'm just going to go about right here. Same thing on the other side, about right here approximately. And from there, let's go ahead. So turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to draw this petal. So we're just going to tuck it right in here. And we all want it about the same height. And tuck it in. And then one here. So we're just imagining this big circle going all the way around. And tuck it in. And another line right there. Okay, so now got 2 more to go. So we're going to be right about here. And one last one. Yay, and another line. There, we got our beautiful flower in. So then from there, let's go ahead underneath this petal. We're just going to draw a curve just so we can see part of the body. So right in the center, we're just going to draw this curve and then the feet. So find your center, go to the left, go to the right, and let's draw these feet. From there, let's draw the hands. So I'm just going to tuck the hands in this area. So let's say about right here and here. And then come out, draw a thumb, and then round this part out for the fingers and bring it right back. And so same thing over here. So about right here. And I'm just going to drag this point across so that I know approximately the same length. And then same thing here. Just draw a thumb and connect it. Oops. There. Okay, so now that we have that, make this a little bit longer. Okay, there. So cute, right? This cute flower. Hopefully you think so, from Dandy's World. And if you love this character, you want me to draw more from this game, definitely let me know in the comments below. And then from there, let's go ahead and I'll put a, let's see here, I'll just tuck in a little tiny heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Dandy from Dandy's World. I really hope I helped you draw this cute dandy fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.